Well, most landscape architects and landscape designers will use images to illustrate their design work. In gCADPlus, there are a number of ways to put images in. They can be placed, as some are here, in layout space, but they can also be placed in model space. To place an image into a design, you can use a number of methods. Click on this little button up here, the Images button, and up pops the Image Manager. But you can also reach the Image Manager via Format and Images. That pops it up. And you can also draw an a raster image that pops up the same tool. If I wanted to add an image, if I click Add, notice that we've got a setting to take all image files, and without going through them all, there is a wide variety of image files that you can add into the gCADPlus environment. So almost any file type you are grappling with can be inserted. And in this example here, I've brought in a couple of bits of garden art and some reeds and so on. So they live inside the image manager here, and there are some important implications you need, I think, to understand how the system works. What we are storing, let me widen what we're storing here, for example, the artwork, the so-called piece sculpture, you're storing the path, the saved path to its location. That has important consequences. If you move this design to some other location in your computer, the saved path may not be appropriate. So that's why we recommend in every job folder for each client, you put all the images that you need in the same folder as the LCD or design file itself. Once they're in, you can add them, you can acquire them via some sort of scanner if you like, you can unload them and reload them, and using the insert key you can pick the one that is highlighted. Let me get images again. We had highlighted that image, and we could place another copy of it into the design. So it's a pretty versatile tool, but I think it's important to understand that we're just saving the path to those images. So each image sits in a frame, and there's the path to the image. So I hope that helps.